Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best bottle opener. So let's get started. Number 7. Westmark Germany Hermetus. Once you open a big bottle of an imperial stout or similarly potent beer, the clock starts ticking on the loss of carbonation. Eventually, the beer will lose all of its bubbles and become as flat as tap water. If you want to keep your boozy barley wine bubbly for another night, invest in the Hermetus opener and Resealer, made by German household good firm Westmark. It not only works for both pop-off and twist-off caps, but it also reseals bottles, says Rob Leitner, a founder of East Brother Beer Company, in Richmond, California. The tempered steel Hermetus features a tight rubber seal that preserves a beer's fizz, making it awesome for that 22-ounce bottle of high ABV brew that's just a bit more than you can finish in one sitting. Number 6. Thirsty Rhino rubber-coated bottle. Even if you can't bend elbows at your favorite bar, you can still uncap your beer bottle like a bartender with a speed bottle opener. The stainless steel speed opener, also known as a bar key or flat opener, is durable and functional, able to remove any cap with a quick flip of the wrist. Busy bartenders often keep this slim tool in a back pocket for easy access. You can do the same at home, and then store the slender tool inside a kitchen drawer or dangle it from a hook or nail. Number 5. DropCatch magnetic wall-mounted. If you've ever spent far too long searching for a suddenly missing bottle opener, then you're a prime candidate for installing a wall-mounted opener in your kitchen, basement, garage, or anywhere and everywhere you drink beer. A good one will quickly remove a cap. A great one, though, will catch the cap before it clatters to the floor. That's why we love DropCatch's magnetized wall-mounted bottle opener. Screw the lacquered walnut base into the wall and get to drinking. The muscular magnet captures caps and pins them to the base, allowing for easy one-handed bottle opening. Thanks to strong magnets, you can mount this opener on a refrigerator too. Number 4. Areaware bent nail bottle opener. East Brother Beer Company's Leitner is a big fan of the simple bent nail bottle opener, designed by Brendan Ravenhill for gift and accessories brand Areaware, because the design is amazingly simple. It's a piece of wood with a bent nail stuck in it, but it's done so elegantly and works well. This tool flips the script on opening bottles. Instead of pulling forward, you pull backward. The ergonomic shape and smooth finish make it the most comfortable tool to hold in your hand. As a bonus, the inlaid magnets keep the cap from falling to the ground and let you stick the opener on your fridge. Number 3. Freedom Bike Bottle Lever. After pedaling for miles on your bike, not much tastes better than a cold beer. To make sure you're never missing an opener when you're far from home, install the sleek and lightweight Freedom Bike Bottle Lever on your frame. The opener is mounted behind water bottle cages. The happiest people are getting out of their cramped homes and hitting the open road with two-wheeled transportation, says Jeff Mello, the chief yeast wrangler at Bootleg Biology, a brewing yeast supplier in Nashville. Stopping mid-ride through a bike trek to pop a cold one is one of life's great pleasures. Just remember, if you bike it in, bike it out. Number 2. OXO Steel Stainless Steel Bottle. Consider this another handy utensil to add to your kitchen drawer. One side of this tool has a pop-top bottle, while the other is outfitted with a church key-style can opener for cracking cans of all sizes. Sharp edges and a pointed punch on the latter end open up cans with ease. While the design of this 6-inch opener isn't as compact as a paddle opener, the soft, non-slip cushion grip fits comfortably in your hand. And unlike a standard bottle opener, the sleek lines and soft curves give this tool a little style. Number 1. Corkcicle Decapitator Bottle Opener. This is not your standard bottle opener. Fit this tubular device over a bottle cap and give it one good push. With one pump, the device will pull the cap off a bottle, making your beer ready to drink. Just one easy push and the tiny machine removes the cap, no fiddling or flailing. A handy magnet in the lid stores the bottle cap for disposal. The device fits all standard bottle caps, including beer, sodas, kombuchas, and oversized beers. While this may seem electronic, this product does not require batteries, just a little momentum.